Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the Pandit and you are watching MEP Technical World. In this video we'll learn about basically how to calculate the earthing strip size for ST panel, means ST side. So in previous video we have already discussed about how to calculate the fault current on ST side. Okay, so according to the fault current or maximum fault current value, only you will able to calculate the earthing strip size. Okay, so before we start the session, I would like to request you, if you are not a subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So here are some steps to find the earthing strip size. So during the calculation we have to follow these steps. So in step 1, what we have to do to know the maximum level of fault current value. So in previous video I have already discussed about how to calculate the fault level current. Okay, maximum fault level current on ST site. Okay, so I'll give the link in the below description box to follow that. So to follow that calculation method. Okay, then second, so duration of tripping time. So wait, whenever we use the breakers, so at that time we have to set the tripping time. So here we have to select the duration of tripping time. So in step 2, then step 3, know the constant conductivity value, which is denoted by K. So it depends upon the materials of the strips, earthing strips. That means if we are going to select the copper, that means we have to take the value of K is 100 118, for aluminium 90, and for GI galvanized galvanized iron 80. Okay, now step 4, we have to calculate the strip size, which is in square mm as per formula. So this is the formula. S equal to I means fault current, maximum fault current, and root square root T means tripping time. Okay, and K is the conductivity of the earthing strip material. Okay, so this formula we have to keep in mind while we are calculating the earthing strip size. Now in step 5, after calculation of this, we have to select the earthing strip size as per available in markets. So we have to follow these 5 steps to calculate the earthing strip size. So now let's follow this step to calculate. So in first step, what we have to do, we have to take the value of maximum fault level current, which will calculate for HT size. Okay, so without it we are unable to calculate. So we have to know the value of maximum fault level current. So here I have assumed 18 kA, kilo ampere. Okay, 18,000 ampere, and tripping time I have chosen here 1 second. Then constant conductor conductive value K. So here we are using for GIS earthing strip, that's why we have taken 80 value for K. Now let's come to the formula. So as you know that strip size is equal to fault current into square root 2 and divided by K. Now let's put the value. Fault current is how much? 18 kA, and square root T. T means tripping time. Here I have taken 1 second. So here this is 1. And now K the value. So GI for GI 80. Now if we calculate that here, it becomes this, and 80. Now 18,000 divided by 80, it become how much? Earthing strip size is 225 square mm. Now, so this is the calculation value. So in market always it comes in width, okay, width and thickness. So here, as per this table, as you can see, this is the standard size of earthing strip size which is available in the market, which are available in market. So from 10 by 3, 10 means width, 3 means 3 mm means thickness, okay. So if we multiply like 10 into 3, which is how much? 30 only, but here how much is it? 200 to 25 square mm. Now 10 into 10 means 100, 15 into 3 means 45. So if we multiply up to here like this, 50 into 3, it only become 150 square mm, but here we have to go near about this, not near about this, up to this or above than that. So 50 into 6, 50 by 6 means, 50 into 6 means how much? 300 square mm. So which is exact above this value. So we must go for this size for a strip. 50 means, so 50 is actually width of the strip and 6 means 6 mm thickness, okay. So here finally our calculated GI strip size is 50 by 60, 6 mm actually, not a 60, sorry, 6 mm, okay, 50 by 6 mm. So hope you guys understand about how to calculate the earthing strip size, the step by step for ST panel. Okay, so this much of size we can use in ST panel. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comments and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos.